Welcome to the CBSplit Redirects module. In this video, we will show you how to create and manage redirect rules to control how traffic flows through your campaigns. Click the plus button to add a new rule. Once it is created, the new redirect will appear in the list. The past params checkbox ensures any query string from the original URL is passed to the destination. You can choose between a 301 permanent or 302 temporary redirect, depending on whether you want search engines to cache it. Use the active or suspended toggle to turn redirects on or off. Now let us look at the Filters tab. Here, you can restrict redirects based on URL parameters, hostname, user agent, or even visitor location. For instance, the redirect might apply exclusively to users based in the United States, or only for users on a mobile browser. The Notes tab is for internal documentation. Add helpful context like campaign goals, tracking information, or test scenarios. Once you are done, hit the blue Save button at the top right. And that is a quick walkthrough of the CBSplit Redirects module.